God put me here for a reason, because just as fast as he gave it to me, he can take it away.
Not only are we getting bigger, but we're getting better. So let's thank God once again for bigger and better.
I know this is the type of place I need to be in order to become a better version of myself and help those around me do the same.
If you want to be anything but your most authentic self, you will find resistance because you're being fake.
Everybody expects growth in the beginning, but first thing you have to do is fight versus yourself.
We're in the right space, and Alex is doing a hell of a job of leading us all. And I'm truly grateful for him and OBG, man.
I actually went through a really bad depressive episode where I was bedridden for almost 2 months, couldn't go to work, and this industry literally saved my life.
Just simply go out and share the opportunity with people who would like to be financially free and have the same vision that God gave to me that I would like to give to them.
I'm great at that other business. I made some great money there, but I'm actually more passionate about helping people financially.
Average is the worst of the best, but the best of the worst. You're right in the middle.
Telling you guys right now, the opportunity you guys have with this right here, and this is coming from somebody, again, that did 12 years in the Marine Corps. This right here allowed me to retire my mother in less than a year.